Pete'sTools.com.
G'day guys, Pete from Pete's Tools. How are we going today? Well, you guys asked for it, so here it is. You guys wanted me to review a YESWELDER plasma cutter, so I reckon that's what's in the box. It just turned up this morning, so let's get into it, see what we've got. Same as usual guys, you like my channel, subscribe, drop me a like, drop me a comment, come say good day in the comments below, and let's open this baby up and see what I brought. Yeehaw! I always wanted to do a YESWELDER one guys, so here we have it. Now this is shipped all the way from California, I think. I got it to my workshop in New Zealand in about 5 days, which I think is pretty awesome in itself. Now it's in a box inside a box for some reason. I don't know why, maybe they do that just for international shipping. Yep, here we go. Look at that, one beautiful looking YESWELDER box. Yeehaw! So what I've actually brought guys is the Cut-55DS. Bloody junk in this garage, get rid of that Pete. So we've got 110 volt, 220 volt. So let's have a look at this little baby and see what it looks like. I've actually read a bit online about YESWELDER guys. Some of you guys seem to like them and other people don't seem to like them at all. So there's only one way to find out. Let me have a look at it and see what I think. And we'll go from there, eh? Not that I know shit all about plasma cutters, guys. Once again, guys, really well packed. I mean, coming to New Zealand from the other side of the world, you need it well packed. This is awesome, it doesn't vibrate around at all, and I wouldn't think there'd be any damage on that whatsoever. So they've got one tick already, guys. So I presume this will be all the little bits and pieces that come with it, guys. We'll have a look at that shortly. But what I want to do in the meantime is just grab the machine out and see if it's damaged or what it looks like. Right, here we go, here we go, here we go. Woohoo! Get rid of that, Pete. More boxes, I've got more boxes in here than I know what to do with, guys. And polystyrene. I think I could start a polystyrene factory, guys. Right, what do we got? Well wrapped. So let's take them out of the plastic. And what do we got? So what have we got, guys? It looks alright so far. We've got our standard fittings on the bottom here. We've got a nice little sort of a clip-on thing here to keep all the shit away from your instrumentation. It looks alright. Looks pretty basic actually. And do we have to assemble the water trap on this thing or not? It's quite light too, guys. And it looks like we have to assemble the water trap. So let's have a look inside the box of bits and pieces that come with it, guys, and see what we actually got, eh? So I would imagine this would be pretty well standard, the same as the rest of them, guys. We've got a earth lead. It looks standard. Basically, how long would you say that would be? Let's have a look. Feels, actually guys, it feels a little bit solider than the other earth leads, which is only a 3 meter lead. But maybe it's a little bit heavier. 16 millimeters this earth lead is. So it just feels a little bit stiffer than the other ones. We've got a plastic bag that tells us that it's not a toy. We have some instructions. We've got a couple of fittings there, actually 4 fittings, a couple of hose clips and a couple of snap-on fittings. We've got some air line here, which obviously we're going to have to plumb up the air to this, rather than the Best Arc machine that just comes automatically with it already plumbed. So all you have to do with that machine is just plug your air line in, but with this you're going to have to assemble it. We have got a 220, 210, 220 volt to 110 converter thing here. We have got a water trap. Once again guys, looks like a standard water trap. And the water trap doofer to hold it on the back of the machine. Notice I did the technical name for this, it's called a doofer. So far so good guys. What sort of torch do we get with it? Let's have a look. We get a, looks like to me, an AG60P torch. Guys, let's have a look. Now how long would this be, do you think? At a guesstimate, I'd say that's 4 meters. Looks like a standard AG60P torch, something like that, guys. Generic torch, but they obviously tried to brand it with their own name as they do. YESWELDER. And also, guys, I noticed it's got quite a nice looking, beefy looking guide here. Some of them are really, really crap, so far so good. And like I say, this would be about 4 meters, I think, guys. And looks like we've got some consumables here, guys, for the torch. Let's have a look, see what we actually got. if I can get into them. They definitely like the packaging with their own branding on it. AG60P consumables, guys, just your standard by the look of it. 2 each. And we've also got 2 pink ceramic caps. So there you go. That's what comes in the box, my friends. That's what comes in the box. So guys, I paid about $240 for the machine itself. Just under $100, I think about $98 shipping to New Zealand, and about $51 for GST. That's our provisional tax that we have to pay when we import these things into the country. So all in all, you're looking at New Zealand dollars, about 690 New Zealand dollars to get this here. Anyway, we shall see what we shall see. First thing we're going to have to do, guys, is assemble the water separator at the back of it. Then we can kick it in the guts and see what she does. But I just wanted to show you what the new tool was in the workshop, and hopefully this will be a good one. Yeah! So guys, be sure to come back and check when I assemble this little baby. It shouldn't be too long, it'll take me a couple of days, and I'll do some cuts and we'll see what this baby can actually do. Yeah! Same as usual, guys, if you like my videos, subscribe, drop me a like, drop me a comment. Chuck in the comments below if you want me to review a sort of special machine for you, and I'll see what I can do. And remember, guys, get rid of that old grinder and buy a plasma cutter. Yeah!
Pete'sTools.com